Do you ever feel like your to-do list is more of a where do I start list? Or maybe you've wanted to plan a family reunion or a weekend getaway, but the idea of comparing dozens of hotels and flight times feels more like a chore than a vacation. We all have those projects, whether it's organizing 40 years of family photos or finally learning how to use that fancy digital camera that we put off because the planning feels overwhelming. AI is like a brilliant administrative assistant who specializes in sorting through the clutter. It's not just for answering questions, it's a tool that can take a mountain of messy information and turn it into a neat, easy-to-follow plan for your hobbies and home. You can start using AI to get organized in 3 simple steps. The brain dump. Don't worry about being organized yet. Just type out everything you need to do. For example, I need to renew my license, buy a gift for Sarah, and find a plumber. Help me make a schedule for Monday. Plan a project. If you're planning a trip, be specific about what you like. Tell the AI, I'm visiting Charleston for 3 days. I don't like a lot of walking, I love history, and I need a quiet spot for lunch. Give me a relaxed itinerary. 3. Learn a hobby. If you're stuck on a craft or tech problem, ask for a step-by-step. Type, I want to learn how to knit a scarf. Explain the first 3 steps to me like I've never held a needle before. Here's a secret for your next trip. AI is a master at finding hidden travel deals. Instead of just searching for cheap flights, ask the AI to find me the best senior-friendly travel discounts for European river cruises in 2026. It can scan for rewards programs and early bird specials you might miss. And if you have a hobby like gardening or woodworking, you can use AI to create a professional-looking newsletter or a simple blog to share your expertise. People pay for specialized knowledge, and AI can help you format your advice into a guide that you can sell as a digital download for a little extra monthly income. The best part about using AI for your hobbies is that it never runs out of patience. You can ask it to explain the same thing 10 different ways until it clicks. You're not bothering anyone. You're just taking charge of your time. You've spent years taking care of everything for everyone else. Let's let the technology do some of the heavy lifting for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to link up and hit the bell so you can get notified of our upcoming videos. I would love to hear from you about what type of videos you would like to see. Let me know in the comments below.